Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Facebook home feed and want to know how to remove a post from your home on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your Facebook experience cleaner and more personalized, especially with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, you'll see your feed filled with posts from friends, pages, and groups you follow. Now scroll through your feed and find the post you want to remove from your home. This could be a post that doesn't interest you, something you've already seen, or maybe content you just don't want to see anymore. Take your time to locate that specific post. Once you've found the post, look towards the top right corner of the post. With the new Facebook update, you'll notice a small X icon. This is the key to removing unwanted posts from your feed. Go ahead and click on that X icon. After clicking the X, Facebook will instantly remove the post from your home feed. You might also see a prompt asking for feedback, like whether you want to see fewer posts like this, or if you want to unfollow the person or page. You can choose to provide feedback or simply move on. And that's it. The post is now gone from your home feed, making your Facebook experience more tailored to your preferences. Remember, removing a post from your home feed doesn't delete it from Facebook entirely. It just means you won't see it on your feed anymore. If you ever change your mind or want to adjust what you see, you can always manage your feed preferences in your Facebook settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.